you were not brought up eating beans, the microbes that are responsible for digesting beans were never fed. When you eat beans, you're gonna have issues digesting them. Microbes are the ones responsible for digesting that fiber in beans. It's a food intolerance that people that have trouble digesting beans. They didn't grow up on it, or possibly went through a bout of antibiotics and they wiped out some of the species responsible for digesting beans. Does that mean you have to avoid them forever? No, we have to reintroducing them in a way that is tolerable for you. With beans, I recommend soaking them for at least 24 hours. That breaks down a lot of the outer cover that is hard to digest. Then pressure cooking them. They're using sprouted legumes. Lentils are a great way to start. Just soak them, try them out in small amounts, a teaspoon at first, see how you feel, and then can increase how much you're eating. Also, including different spices. Oregano and cumin when you're cooking these beans actually makes them a lot more digestible.